Today we're going to be changing the turn signal on our 2006 Ford Mustang. It is this bulb right here. Both this bulb and this bulb are turn signals, but ours is out on this side over here. The 06 units have a screw in here that takes a T30 bit, and you just put it in and unscrew it. The 07s and 08s actually have a twist off one that you can use with your hand, but the 06s have this. That comes right out. Two clips we have to take out, right here and right here. We're just going to use a flathead screwdriver. Pry the top part out and come right out. Or you can use a pry tool. Have to do the other side right here. Okay. You have two more clips. One is right here, and there's a matching one on the other side. Now that we have that clip out, we can lift it up and pull it over like this. 7/16 wrench, and you have a bolt right here, and a bolt right here, and a bolt right there. We'll start the top bolt. Once you get them threaded, you can unscrew it. There's number two. Now that we have our bolts out, just simply push on the screws. That'll help you get out. 1, 2, 3. And over here is our third bolt that we need to get out. Yep, it's nice and burnt out. Pop that out. We're going to use a 3157 Sylvania Long Life bulb. You can get it at AutoZone. That's where we get ours. I'm putting on a glove because I don't really want to touch the bulbs with my hands. It doesn't matter, in my opinion, because it's an incandescent bulb anyway. But if you have a glove, you might want to use one. Pop it in. Up, twist. There we go. Just get the put that over the lip here, and everything should slide back in place. We'll start with this one. Put our clip back in. So just put the bottom in first. To the top.
If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.